Hello and welcome to Bobcat Cam. Many of you don't know this, but Bobcat started out as a Wire EDM solution back in 1984. And today, we're still one of the best Wire EDM solutions in the market. Let's find out why. Ease of use. Our user-friendly cam wizards are designed to empower you to take on any project, no matter the complexity. Whether it's an open or a closed shape, if it has a taper, or even if it's a fourth axis operation with different shapes on top and bottom, we are confident that you will be able to program it with ease. Our cam wizards will guide you through the programming process with clear images that reflect the function of each feature, making the learning process more manageable. Automatic fourth axis synchronization. If you use prior versions of Bobcat CAM, you're familiar with the challenges of aligning geometry to program fourth axis wire parts. Ensuring that the top and the bottom parts were synchronized was very time-consuming. We heard your feedback, and today, Bobcat will automatically synchronize your geometry, dramatically reducing your programming time, allowing you to focus on what really matters: cutting parts. Now, you can set up synchronization lines and stop points with ease. Thanks to these tools, you can ensure a flawless fourth axis programming every single time. Templates. As you know, Wire EDM machines have a specific power and speed settings. Some of our machines already include this information, but if you want to set up your own, now you can save all your power settings as a template and apply it to any other projects. Finally, post-processors. We are one of the few systems in the market that includes a post-processor with our maintenance. As a Bobcat customer, you have access to our proven post library, or you can work with our post department to fine-tune all the details so your machine can run as it should. Thank you so much for joining us today and learn about our Wire EDM history and capabilities. Hope to see you in the next video and have an amazing day.